Believe it or not, a tiny handful of nuts a day could be the key to a healthier you. Nuts might be nature's little longevity pill. Today, we're uncovering which nuts offer the biggest health benefits. Hello again and welcome to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health. Studies involving over 120,000 people shows that regular nut eaters live a whopping 20% longer than those who skip them entirely. Nuts are a nutritional powerhouse linked to a reduced risk of serious health issues, from heart disease to even cancer. And the good news, the recommended daily intake is just a handful, making them a delicious and easy way to boost your well-being. Let's watch this video to see which ones pack the biggest punch and which ones deserve a pass.
Number 1. Hazelnuts. Hazelnut-filled cookies, butterscotch ice cream with hazelnuts mixed in. Just hearing the name Hazelnuts makes me want to head out to the nearest cafe and order a cappuccino. Thankfully, this delicious entry made it onto the good side of our list. You can eat hazelnuts because they are both delicious and healthy. Hazelnuts provide a good deal of vitamins and dietary fiber. It helps to lower bad cholesterol.
Yes, hazelnuts provide abundant mono and polyunsaturated fats, including omega-6 and omega-9 fatty acids. Monounsaturated fats play a role in reducing LDL cholesterol level, potentially lowering the risk of cardiovascular diseases. They contain minerals such as magnesium, which is important in regulating blood pressure, and manganese, crucial for strengthening bone and teeth.
Number 2. Walnuts. Walnuts are amazing. They give so much vitamin E and omega fatty acids.
Among many other benefits, vitamin E helps the body fight infection, and it keeps your eyes healthy by shielding them against free radicals, potentially preventing cataracts and macular degeneration. Omega fatty acids are good for bone and joint health.
Eating walnuts regularly helps your body thrive. It lowers your blood cholesterol levels, boosts your heart and brain health, and helps ward off depression. Pretty amazing, isn't it?
The omega-3s are mostly responsible for that. They lower markers associated with heart disease, reduce inflammation, and helps treat depression symptoms.
3. Acorns. Humans have been eating acorns for centuries. This is due to their nutrients and great taste. The reason why a lot of us skip acorns is because they're a pain to prepare. I mean, there's just so much to do. Remove them from their shells and remove the toxic tannins by soaking them. But acorns are worth taking this much pain. In the end, your body will be thanking you for making it healthier. Acorns have healthy fats, protein, kalium, phosphorus, and vitamin C. This fruit of the oak tree is ready to make a re-entry into our daily diets. They've earned their spot rightfully.
It's rich in monounsaturated fats, which are good for the heart. Phosphorus is a mineral essential for tissue growth, maintenance, and repair. It also helps balance other vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin D, zinc, iodine, and magnesium.
Pecans offer wonderful health benefits. They're heart healthy as they lower your cholesterol. They offer more than 19 types of vitamins and minerals. You can get folic acid, potassium, phosphorus, and vitamins A, B, and E from pecans.
Folic acid is a B vitamin that's especially important for women who may become pregnant. Adequate folic acid intake before and during pregnancy can prevent significant birth defects affecting the baby's brain or spine.
Chestnuts offer
And they have vitamin C also.
And dietary fiber. And these delicious nuts are the only ones that offer a sizable amount of vitamin C. But since they have vitamin C to offer, you need to be careful about how you store them.
They have vitamin C. This is unusual for nuts. They don't typically have a good amount of vitamin C. so you have to be careful with storage. Keep them away from heat. As many of you already know, vitamin C is great for the skin. It helps prevent wrinkles by increasing collagen production. It protects your skin from premature aging by fighting free radicals caused by sun exposure, and it speeds up healing.
Number 6. Pistachios. These could easily be the king of the nut world. Have you ever tried pistachio saffron milk? It tastes delicious. Soak a few strands of saffron in a tablespoon of milk and then mash them. Add them to boiling milk along with sugar and date syrup. Top it with pistachio shavings. So what makes pistachios so popular? Is it just the taste? Nope. Pistachios are also a powerhouse of nutrition. These delicious nuts offer protein, dietary fiber, antioxidants, and potassium. Pistachios lower your blood sugar levels, blood cholesterol levels, and lower your risk of developing type 2 diabetes.
Pistachios have one of the lowest glycemic index. Among nuts, just 28, which means it won't cause your blood sugar to spike, which is great for diabetics. You know what else is special about them? They are a complete protein, unlike other nuts that need to be paired with other foods to complete the 9 essential amino acids.
Almonds are healthy for your body, but unfortunately they're enemies to the environment.
Nutritionally speaking, almonds are a powerhouse. They are high in monounsaturated fats, calcium, vitamin E, riboflavin, niacin, among other nutrients. It keeps the heart healthy by lowering blood cholesterol and increasing good cholesterol levels. They also have anti-inflammatory properties. Almonds have calcium, which can support bone and teeth health.
Number 2. Cashews. These nuts are delicious and healthy, but sadly they come at a price that outweighs the benefits.
Cashews have a low carbohydrate content and have a low GI of 25. This minimizes their impact on sugar levels, and a great option for diabetics and pre-diabetics. Apart from that, cashews provide a significant amount of copper, nearly fulfilling your daily requirement. Copper plays an important role in supporting red blood cell production, collagen formation, and the body's immune defenses.
Number 3. Horse chestnuts. We love chestnuts, right?
Horse chestnuts are toxic. Ingesting them can lead to digestive issues such as abdominal pain, nausea, vomiting, and throat irritation.
There is a difference. Horse chestnuts are bad for your health. They contain a toxin that makes you vomit. If you eat a significant quantity, they can even cause paralysis. Stay miles away from horse chestnuts. Number 4. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia are delicious, but they aren't that healthy. The biggest problem is they're super high in calories. You can easily eat twice the amount of your daily calories just by eating a handful of these nuts. 1 cup of macadamia nuts are almost 1,000 calories, 88% of which is fat. If you're watching your weight, avoid macadamia nuts like the plague.
Macadamia nuts are high in calories, but they brim with heart-healthy monounsaturated fats that are beneficial for absorbing vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones. Macadamias are a valuable source of manganese, which plays a crucial role in regulating reproductive hormones. Just remember not to overdo it because of its high caloric content.
Number 5. Pine nuts. Several recipes call for pine nuts to provide the finishing touch. There is something you need to know. Pine nuts can cause an unexplained temporary thing called pine nut syndrome, or pine mouth for short.
Pine nut syndrome is an infrequent condition that results in a bitter or metallic taste in the mouth after consumption. Symptoms usually emerge 12 to 48 hours after ingestion and may persist for 2 days to up to 2 weeks. Pine nuts are rich in magnesium, iron, and zinc, which can help with diabetes management and heart health.
Peanuts are loaded with calories. If you're planning on watching your favorite show during the entire evening while sitting on the couch, skip munching on peanuts. Just half a cup of calories will equal 1/5 of your daily calorie intake. Confused? Consider this. 1 ounce of peanuts gives you 160 to 200 calories, 80% of which is from fat.
Just like macadamia nuts, peanuts are also quite high in calories. But if you stick with the recommended amount per day, you shouldn't have a problem. And make sure you're not allergic to peanuts. They're technically legumes rather than nuts, and they contain a significant amount of fat. However, most of this fat is monounsaturated, which is beneficial for heart health. Peanuts can help lower cholesterol levels and are also an excellent source of magnesium, crucial for blood pressure regulation. We've reached the end of the video, so out of all the nuts presented, only one is not fit for our personal dietary list because it's toxic, and that's the horse chestnut. And we have a few reminders about nuts. You should avoid excessively adding salt or sugar. This can overpower the nut's natural flavors and offset their health benefits. Savor each nut's unique taste, whether on its own or part of a wholesome dish. Seek out the freshest nuts available, checking for signs of mold, and storing nuts in their shells can prolong their freshness. Or you can put small batches of shelled nuts in the freezer to preserve their nutritional value. Indulge in nuts frequently but mindfully. Despite their remarkable benefit, nuts are rich in calories. Aim for a serving size of about 1 ounce, roughly a handful on most days. If you enjoyed this reaction video, tell us and include your favorite recipes that includes nuts. And we'll see you on the next episode of Dr. Hanz MD, where we 10x your success by optimizing your health.